Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Okanagan Falls, British Columbia. This small community is located at the south end of Skaha Lake between Penticton and Oliver in the South Okanagan region. It sits where the Okanagan River begins, flowing out of the lake and through the valley. The area is known for its warm climate, vineyards, and scenic lake views. Okanagan Falls was named after a small set of waterfalls that once flowed from Skaha Lake into the river. The falls were reduced in size when a flood control dam was built, but the name remains. The community began to grow in the early 1900s, thanks to farming and the arrival of the railway. Over time, orchards and vineyards became a big part of local life. Today, Okanagan Falls is a peaceful place known for wine, beaches, and access to nature. It's a quiet stop in the heart of the Okanagan Valley. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Okanagan Falls, British Columbia.